accessories display, rotating rod, insert handling, tighten the screws after adjusting to the proper height. Adjust the handle to a proper position after releasing it. Tighten the screws. Release the brake cable. Remove the screws from the wheels. Install the tire facing forward according to the arrow on the tire. Tighten the screws after installing the gaskets. When the brake cable cannot be fastened, loosen the brake cable and adjust to increase its length. Loosen the seat post clamps. Tighten the regulator. Loosen the screws. Insert the mudguards and install screws in 3 positions. Install to the corresponding position according to the R and L on the pedal. Tighten the left pedal counterclockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Press the other side to prevent bouncing. Slowly open the iron frame. Put on the accessories and car basket. Tighten the screws. Inserting the white reflector and tightening the nut with a cruise head screwdriver. Install the screws for the rear tire mud guards. Remove the screws on both sides. Tighten the screws.